Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to try a different recipe with this ITC MasterChef Paneer Makhani cooking paste. I bought 2 packets of this cooking paste and for the first time I followed the recipe, like almost followed the recipe which is given in the packet. And it felt like the gravy is very watery and you just have the paneer pieces to it, otherwise it's just very watery. So I wanted to try a different version of it and this is what it looks like. Let's begin with the video. Here I have some baby potatoes. I had soaked it in baking soda water for about 2-3 hours and then washed it really well, and now we will boil this. I will transfer it in a pressure cooker, will add some water. Without peeling its skin or without adding any salt or anything, I will cook it for 2 whistles. Once done, we'll allow it to cool down. In the meanwhile, I'm taking 2 cups of water and here is the cooking paste, ITC MasterChef Paneer Makhani cooking paste. So I'll open the packet and I will mix this paste really well into this water. Now this paste is a bit very thick, so you need to mix it really well. I will mix it till my potatoes cool down. Here I'm done mixing the cooking paste and also our potatoes have cooled down, and will transfer it in cool water. Here I have 200 grams of paneer as well. I have peeled the potatoes and also cut them into half. And also I have some frozen green peas that I'm going to use for this recipe. Here I'm heating up my frying pan and will add mustard oil, adding pinch of salt and pinch of turmeric powder. We'll give this a mix and we'll start frying the paneer pieces in low flame. I'm taking 200 grams of paneer. You can decide the quantity based on the number of people you want to serve. Once the paneer is nicely cooked, we'll keep it aside. In the same frying pan, adding some garlic cloves, the frozen green peas and also the potatoes. I'm not adding any extra oil because anyways we are making its gravy. Adding salt and turmeric powder. We'll give this a mix and allow it to cook in low flame. Once it is properly cooked, we'll transfer the paneer makhani cooking paste. Allow this to come to a good boil in low flame. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Let the gravy thicken based on your preference. Then we'll transfer the paneer pieces. We'll allow it to cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. And once the gravy comes to our desired consistency, I'm adding some kasuri methi. We'll give it a mix and then switch off the flame. And we are done with this recipe. Well, I like this one way better than the first one. I will leave a link to the first recipe in the description box below in case you want to check that out. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.